Welcome to the future of safety and inspection management with Pervidi paperless solutions. Our cutting-edge technologies, combined with AI, are revolutionizing safety protocols and operational efficiency in industrial environments. At Pervidi, we automate safety inspections, hazard identification, and compliance checks. By leveraging AI, we help reduce operational risks, improve safety, and ensure regulatory compliance. Pervidi simplifies hazard identification, equipment inspections, and compliance checks through automation. We replace paper-based processes, enabling real-time reporting and preventive maintenance for heavy equipment. From manual inspections to AI-enhanced systems, the evolution of safety inspections is driven by mobile devices and cloud integration, now further enhanced with AI's image analysis and intelligent recommendations. Pervidi's AI is now integrated into safety processes, improving checklist creation and analyzing inspection results. Our AI-powered solutions help businesses maintain safety standards with actionable recommendations. While AI improves safety processes with real-time image analysis and machine learning, there is room for growth. Future advancements will include automated inspections and better predictive capabilities. Pervidi is a versatile solution for inspections across industries, from warehouse management to heavy equipment maintenance. Streamline work orders and optimize asset management with a tool that adapts to your workflow. Pervidi ensures your operations meet high safety standards, promoting excellence in inspection and compliance. Our customers, from small businesses to large enterprises, use Pervidi to streamline inspections and asset management, enhancing efficiency and compliance while allowing focus on core operations. Pervidi offers a comprehensive solution for inspectors and technicians, providing mobile device compatibility with customizable checklists, a web portal for real-time dashboards, automated alerts, corrective action scheduling, and integration options for cloud or on-premise environments. With AI-driven image analysis, it boosts efficiency and precision in inspections. Pervidi simplifies pre-start checks for heavy vehicles, cranes, and forklifts. Dynamic checklists and corrective actions ensure safety and maintenance at the start of each shift. Automated alerts for skipped checks or major issues, along with on-demand reports, provide real-time insights in compliance. Pervidi offers easy sign-on, AI integration, and supports barcodes, RFID, and BLE. Inspectors can capture GPS locations, reference materials, and visual documentation with ease. With customizable checklists, speech-to-text, and digital signatures, managing inspections is simple. Pervidi supports multiple user levels, works offline, and enables inspectors to log data, generate reports, and issue corrective actions directly from their mobile devices. Plus, OCR makes documentation even faster. Pervidi's proximity alert system enhances safety in no-go zones, like open-pit mines and drilling sites. It provides multi-level alerts to prevent collisions, helping companies protect their workforce. The proximity alert system works anywhere, needs no connectivity, and offers multi-level alerts. Enjoy easy setup and cross-site compatibility for collision avoidance in any environment. The no-go zone radar alert system features radar detection up to 100 meters, works anywhere, needs no connectivity or power, and offers multi-level alerts and cross-site compatibility. If you have any questions or need more information about the Pervidi paperless solutions, please feel free to reach out to us.